Alright, today's recipe shows you how to make salted caramel ice cream. So we really love this recipe, and let's just jump right into it and get started. Okay, let's go over to the stand mixer to make our ice cream. Okay, we have our stand mixer here. And we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna mix this until there are tough peaks. Alright, now that there are stiff peaks, we're going to add 5 ounces or 150 ml of sweetened condensed milk. And we're just going to mix this until everything is nice and combined. And now we're going to add a 1/3 cup of regular caramel sauce. If you want to learn how to make this, you can go ahead and check it out on our channel, or you can click up here because we actually made this caramel sauce. And we're going to mix it once again until everything is completely combined. And for our last ingredient, we're going to add just a sprinkle of salt, about 1 teaspoon. Alright, let's transfer our ice cream into a bowl and we're going to freeze it for 6 hours or overnight. Alright, we are here the next day and let's scoop out our caramel ice cream. This happens to be a no churn ice cream recipe. It's very easy to make. All you need is a hand mixer or stand mixer, and it only requires a few ingredients. So to start off, we have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're just gonna whisk this until everything is nice and stiff and there are tough peaks. Okay, let's add 5 ounces of condensed milk. Alright, let's whisk this until everything is nice and combined. Alright, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of this peppermint extract. We'll leave a link down below if you want to go ahead and buy it. And now we're going to add a few drops of this green food coloring. And let's mix that up. And now for the last ingredient, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. And let's give that a mix. And we're going to transfer our mixture into a container. And we're going to cover this and put it in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. Alright, we're here the next day and let's scoop our ice cream into a bowl. Before we get into the reveal of our mint chip ice cream, if you could give us a like down below, that would be very appreciated. We have put a lot of effort into making these videos for you, so if you could like it, not only would it share this video to more people, but it would encourage us to complete our goal of posting 30 days straight. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, we're going to start off by adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into our bowl. Okay, so now we're going to whisk this. You can do it by hand with a whisk, but I think a stand mixer is going to be easier. Also, if you have a hand mixer, you can do that as well. So I'm going to mix this until the whipping cream becomes a little bit more stiff and there's going to be like thick peaks in it. Okay, I think that's good. We're going to add 5 ounces or 150 grams of sweetened condensed milk. So we broke the opener for this can, but I think we'll just use this can opener to open it. Okay, so this is 300 grams or 10 ounces. We want half that, so half the bottle. And just add it into this mixture. Alright, let's mix that again on medium speed. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna transfer this into 2 bowls. Alright, we have these 2 bowls and we're gonna divide our mixture evenly into both of them. Okay, so we have some cotton candy extract here. If you don't have this, we can leave a link down below where you can get some. So we're just going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of this cotton candy extract into each of our bowls. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's give that a mix. Oh, you can just smell the cotton candy there. Okay, so then we're going to color 1 pink and 1 blue. And we're going to add 3 drops each bowl. Mix. And we're just gonna transfer our mixtures into the bowl. We're gonna like add it evenly, 1 spoon of this, 1 spoon of this, and so on. Alright, let's put this in the freezer for 6 hours or overnight. So it's been about 7 hours and we are going to take our ice cream out of the freezer. Okay, it's really cold. Wow. Let's scoop this into our bowl. Before we get into the reveal of our cotton candy ice cream, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, this is a perfect time to go ahead and hit that like button for us. We have put a lot of effort into these videos, and if you could do that for us, we'd really appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna taste the cotton candy ice cream to see if it tastes like cotton candy. Wow, that cotton candy ice cream is actually really good. I like how, there's only 3 necessary ingredients to make it, and the flavor for it's not too strong, not too light. And overall, it's just a really good ice cream.